see we have in here sum of sales, sum of profit, and depending on how your pivot table is, you might have similar things on column headings, stuff like that, counts of this, sums of that. Don't like it. Select the two names or any combinations of names, Control H for find and replace, type in sum of and just replace it with nothing and hit replace all, and that gets rid of all of that. Now what that's actually done, I'll close that, is if I click in there, F2, you'll see it's actually left the space at the beginning. If I tried to get rid of that space and hit enter, I'd get an error because the field name exists already. So that sort of little trick of just replacing sum of ensures that you've got a space in front of your name and you're not going to get any kind of problems like that. Hope those tips were useful. If you want more, check out my playlist on pivot table tips, and remember, subscribe to my channel. See you soon.